Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the very cool looking pony from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is pretty easy to draw. The only tricky thing is the eyeglasses. So for this one, we're gonna draw in the overall head shape, so it's just gonna be one big circle. And then from the circle, we're gonna draw in his nose, and which is gonna be right in the center. So right in the center of this circle, just gonna draw almost a little egg shape on his side. And closer to the edge, I'm gonna draw two little dots. And then now for the snout area, come to the circle, just go up, make a little point. So this is gonna be the top of my circle for his whole snout. So from this point here, I draw one big circle almost touching the bottom. Okay, so now from here we can draw in his eyes first. So just come out at an angle. Let's draw one circle. Same thing here. Okay, so now let's draw in his glasses. So right in the middle of this eye right here, right on the top, just come across, right in the center, just draw a little line. So that's gonna be the middle of the glasses, and then now for the glass frame, start in this corner, just go right over the eyes and go all the way out. So this goes past his head. And then for the frame here, I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker. Okay, and then now for the bottom, from these 2 points, this one big curve right underneath the eye and just go back up. Just curve down right below the eyes and then just connect to this point. Alright, so that's the tricky part. And then now for the cheeks on the side, really simple. Just two little egg shapes. And then now for his ears, just come out from the corner of the eye right here, just go up. And then just curve all the way around. Just come back here. Okay, so from the eye, go up. Start here and just curve all the way around. Alright, so that's the head, and then now for the body. So the body is pretty simple, it's pretty generic. So I'm going to start here. Just draw two lines coming down. It's going to be his armpit right here. And then for the waist and body, we'll come down, just pinch it in. And then come back out slightly and then just close it off. Okay, and then now for his arms, let's draw in this one first, because this one's gonna be holding the sword. So again, here's the armpit. Shoulder here, just curve down. And then for the inside here, just draw two curves, so just one big bracket, one long bracket coming down. For his fingers here, for his thumb, just one little hook. On the inside right here, one little line. And now for the back of the hand right here, just come down. And then for his other fingers, we'll continue this. Just curve down and round it up. Just connect it. Okay, and then let's add one little bump here for the other fingers behind. Alright, so now let's draw on the other one. So again, here's the armpit. Here's your shoulder, it's going to be the same thing, coming down. And then this one long bracket coming down. Alright, and then for this one, it's a little bit different. I'm going to start on the outside right here. Come down, one little hook, that's going to be his thumb. And then for his other fingers, just start right here. Just curve out. And then just come back right behind the thumb. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off with a little curve. So that's going to be the grip, and then now we can draw in the sword. So let's start out right here. Just one line, and then we'll flare this out, and then just close it off. And then for the sword here, just go out. Just close it off with an angle. And then we're going to continue this. Just imagine two lines right here for the grip of the sword. Okay, so now let's finish it up with the legs, and the legs are really easy. So just come right in the middle right here, come down slightly, draw one little line. And we're going to draw the inside of the legs first. So go all the way down. Come back up here. Slant. Stop a little bit short. And then around the bottom here, just give it a little bit of a bump. And then close it off. Okay, so just slant down. Stop a little short. One little bump. And that is it for this pony. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.